Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are having an amazing day. Today in this video we will be talking about how to feature channels on YouTube. Okay, so if you are new to my channel then please subscribe to it and click on that bell icon as well so that you may never miss any updates from my channel. Now let's get into our video. First of all, as you can see that I have opened YouTube and you may have a YouTube channel. So you have to click on this icon and you have to go to your channel section. So this is the YouTube channel, and for adding other channels I am talking about this portion. Okay, so I have added subscribe also button. So by default in this portion there is featured channel written, so you can also change this. Now just click on this customize channel. Now you can customize your channel, so just scroll down and here you can see that this is our portion. So just click on this edit button, edit module. So as I was talking that this is section title, so you can write anything here, and for adding other channels you just have to paste the other channel's link here. Okay, so let's suppose that I just want to add this channel as my featured channel. So all I have to do is I will just click on it and I will just copy this channel's link and I will paste it. After that I will just click on this add. So as you can see that this is added to our featured channel. Now click on this done, and here you can see that this channel is added to our featured channel section. So this is how you can add any channel to your featured channel section. So hope you have liked this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.